Welcome to Ambong Rainforest Retreat, where you can experience a tranquil journey to enrich your mind, body, and spirit. Langkawi is the perfect destination for a serene escape from bustling daily life, offering seclusion without isolation. Ambong Rainforest Retreat is ideally located near the Langkawi International Airport and the Pantai Tengah area. Enjoy rich selections of vegan delicacies to nourish your soul, and savor moments of enchantment and rejuvenation under the touch of experienced therapists. Observe the diverse wildlife that thrives within our resort, adding to the natural allure and making your stay exceptional. Sit back, relax, and let our attentive team cater to your every need, ensuring a truly memorable stay. Explore your potential through holistic activities and embark on a journey towards well-being. Let us show you around so you can experience the best of Ambong Rainforest Retreat.